Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're making a vertical hard drive stand. This is my prototype. I made this out of foam board. I was going to make it out of MDF, but I don't have access to the saws and the equipment to get it to look right. So I came up with a new idea. I came up with this idea here. I took L channel, like when you bought at your local hardware store for very, very inexpensive. I bought a 3-foot piece with a hacksaw, I cut it down, and a file the edges. And then instead of painting this, I wanted a brushed steel look, so I took sandpaper and I sanded all the sides, just going back and forth to give it a brushed steel look. So it looks pretty cool here. And I tried all different things on here. I tried Velcro. Velcro didn't work. It's too flimsy. It's a good idea if you're if you want a removal. If you want to take them off and put them in a knapsack or your computer case, a Velcro would work. I took them off. I didn't like them because it rocked too much. I'm going to do a more permanent solution. We're going to use two-phase tape. This is the tape here. It's clear two-phase tape, heavy duty. So it's going to be a permanent install. This will work on any external drive. Actually, this is an SSD. It's not an external hard drive. It's a SSD, 1 terabyte SSD, and an enclosure. I'll put links to for Amazon for the enclosure and for that two-phase tape in the description below. Okay, so let's get started here. Let's get this. Oops, okay, that's SSD. So we need the front first. That looks the best. I've never used this stuff before. Let's give it a shot here. Use some scissors and cut it. Let's get there. Man, it's so sticky. Wow. Okay, so let's put this on the front. Sorry, the back. Let's put it in this way. See what I'm doing here. There we go. Now attaching is very simple. I'm just going to put the hard drive up. I'm going to drive up. Take the tape off. Man, this stuff is hard to get off. Man. I'll be back. Getting back. Talk about hard to take apart. Wow. I finally got it apart. I had to cut with an X-Acto knife in the middle and then take it off. But it's really hard to get off. But putting these on is really simple. The drive sits fairly square. I'm going to measure out here where I want to put the bracket. Just put the bracket on the ground first, on the table. And then attach it to pretty good. Nice, secure. Now you have to do the other one. Repeat the procedure in the other one. Put on the back of it. And my hard drive stand is completed. I'll be back. Okay, so I got the other one apart. And I lined it up. It took me 10 minutes to get the tape off there. I couldn't believe it. That tape is a bugger to get off. So anyways, I lined it up with the drive. push them together. You have to be careful if it's a hard drive, external hard drive. You don't want to put too much pressure on there when you're putting the tape on there. Just a little bit of pressure to make it stick in place. And there you have it. An external, vertical, 2.5-inch hard drive. These stands do not exist in the real world. You can't get them. You can get clear cases with a stand built in, but I'm not sure about the quality of the case. The case in this one here is a very high quality case. It's a very, very good quality case for an external hard drive or a drive. But that's what you do it to make a vertical hard drive stand. I don't like I got desk space problems, and I don't like them laying flat. I like them vertical. It just keeps them out of the way, and it looks really good. I could have made this. I could have left the Velcro on there, but I was fussy. I wanted it to be nice and solid, and this works actually really, really well. It's nice and solid. It's firm, and it looks really good. So this will work on any 2.5-inch drive, Western Digital or whatever. Okay, here's another one I cut. I'm not sure if it's focusing here. There's another one I cut for this drive here. I'm going to install on this drive. So it's cut to 3 inches. Go with 3.5 inches, something like that. Put your two-phase tape on it. You may want to do it on this side of the drive where it's got more flat surface, so the tape will stick. And just attach it. And then you have a vertical hard drive stand. I can't believe there's no vertical hard drive stands out there. It's just unbelievable. Out of the millions and millions of external 2.5-inch drives, there's no external hard drive stand for a 2.5-inch drive. It's crazy. There's got to be a market out there for it. So anyways, that's been my do-it-yourself vertical hard drive stand. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.